Next up is market cap, which is short for capitalization, and this is a quick method to determine how big the company is from the formula of shares issued multiplied by its current share price. That's capitalization. So a company with 100 million shares issued and trading at 10 bucks, that's $1 billion market cap. This cap number also puts companies into a category for size. The super big companies are called mega caps, and their number is typically over $200 billion worth of value. Large caps over 10 billion, mid caps over 2 billion, small caps over $300 million. Micro caps are the ones below $300 million. Now, Amazon, they didn't start out as a mega cap, and some of the greatest investors of all times have gained fame and riches by discovering and investing in companies while they were smaller.